Hi guys, Ender here from TrendSpotter. I decided to do a video today on Bitcoin, and I put the TrendSpotter indicator through it for TradingView. So this is Bitcoin from today, and I noticed from 9:30 on here you can see if we were to skip this first move here 9:30, and then there's a pullback here, an RSI pullback. You see the change here, and the second move. I mean, this is just so far beyond what I would call reality trading, this kind of move here. But as you can see, the way TrendSpotter works is you get in on the second, so you wait for the green RSI and the green trend meter and an upwards arrow, and you can get in from here and whatever, trade your position from there. But all the upward arrows are kind of giving you the momentum and the entries for that. For me, if this was an equity like a stock, I wouldn't kind of trade this because of that first green bar. I'd want it to reverse to show a pullback on it. That's assuming that you started this market at 9:30, but I don't think it has. So anyways, if you were, so that's the first entry on Bitcoin US dollar. Even if you didn't get the entry from this RSI reversal here, you could get in on a pullback here or here, but park that, okay, because pullbacks, you don't know they're a pullback, there could be a reversal. So here we're looking at a second move. So here's a downward arrow, but it's only one arrow and there isn't a two there, so you'd skip that. And the next move would be over here when the trend meter down the bottom, as you can see here, at 10:59 paints green, and your second arrow in a row, which is there. So that move would be from here up to here. So that's a $102 move. That's kind of madness. I couldn't cope with that kind of stuff. But you never looked back. It just went straight up. Now that's fine. And just to show you, it's like it's not a fluke. Oh, sorry, I went to Tesla there. So we'll go back to Bitcoin US dollar there. Okay. So yeah, you got, there was your second move or your first move, whatever you want. So let's look at it here chopping sideways. Okay, so here it is, and you look for your second arrow down, and right here is your trend confirmed, your arrow down, your Psar on top. Now this doesn't look like the biggest move in the world, but for me, I'd be very happy if I was able to capture a move like this. But what's that? The bottom of that candle was, that's a $15 move, so you know, handy I suppose if you can get it. And again, as you know from my previous videos, once I've taken the move on the trend meter, once I've taken the like a downwards move, I kind of wait for the reversal. So I would ignore that because I want this meter to reverse, and here it is reversing here. So the next move here on Bitcoin would have been at 11:32, as you can see down here. 11:32 in here for a long position would have been at the opening. So there is your, I don't know what your risk management would be in this, but there is your, that's your move. So it's a $12.40 risk for $90 profit, or so that's work that margin out there. So yeah, that's basically it. And I don't trade Bitcoin, but I was asked would it work with cryptos. It works pretty well with Forex. Very good with equities, and very good with Forex really. And if this is the kind of stuff that happens in Bitcoin, even though I don't trade it, I don't see why it wouldn't work here, because the TrendSpotter is a volume indicator as well. So any stock, any indicator, any symbol, anything that has volume, this will work with. You just need volume, that's all, and it tends to spot them quite easily. And you can see here the way the background colors are there, so it's quite easy to understand which way the market's moving when it's like that. You can see the hiccup, and it's quite easy to see you're moving down slightly there, and that's it. I don't trade past usually the third RSI change from 9:30 because, well, and again, I don't know anything about the Bitcoin market, but for equities, 9:30 is when it's open, and you just get your spike up, and after the first half an hour then volume's decreasing pretty much for the whole day. But yeah, any of you people that use or that trade Bitcoin, this is a 1 minute chart, by the way. So I'm sure you probably use larger timescales and have automatic entries and exits and all that kind of stuff. Give me a shout. I can send you over the indicator for a trial and run it through your TradingView account and let me know. Give me some feedback and let me know how it goes. If you like this video, give me a like, leave any comments below, and subscribe for more information. Thanks.